Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today what I'll be reviewing is the SYMA Foldable X500 drone. So let's go ahead and check it out. Ooh, cool. Love it when there's like cases like this that it's packaged in. This way it's easy to fold up and also bring on the road. So this is everything that it comes with. So we got the actual drone itself. It's like the size of my hand. This fits nicely like that. Next we got the controller. Flipping it around, the first comes with three things: a USB cord, another cord, and then a little screwdriver. In the second package, we have a battery. And then in the third package, we have some extra accessories. So first things first, read the manual, and it says to download the app where it has a video tutorial, and it's basically this. This is what the app looks like on an Android. You're gonna get this warning sign if you don't turn on the drone first, because there's nothing to pair the app with anything. So let's turn on the drone. That's just this button right here. And then once it's on, these little blinkers will go on, and then you can say, you click on try again. You can click on try again here. And then it should be linked. Once it's successfully connected, it's gonna stop blinking to show you that it's connected. So first with the controller, how you put the phone in is basically, these two are for you to hold when you're doing the joystick. And then over here, you just lift it up. In the back, there's this little antenna. Make sure to lift that as well. And then here's where you slide in your phone. This goes. All right, and you just press, I'm pressing up to then snap it into place, like that. Next, we're gonna open up the foldable drone. So all you do is just like this, all the way. Next, we're gonna install our propeller protectors. The logo is here. They are towards the logo. Make sure that it's facing upward, like this, and then slide them into this hole right here. It should snap into place, just like this. Same thing over here, same thing on the back side. And there you have the drone with the protectors on. Once they are connected and paired, you want to go ahead and you want to start the propellers. You can just click your left joystick and press it up. And to turn it off, you want to press your joysticks both inward and down, like that. In order to calibrate the drone, there is actually a compass button that you press. Once you click on that, then you want to go ahead and rotate your drone 360 like this, and then 360 like this, all the way around. This way, it kind of gives it a direction of like, calibrate what's up, what's down, etc. And then once you're done, it should be stable. Like this. When you're doing it, they will be blinking. Now that everything's set up, you can actually see I have the drone over there, and it's actually directed at me, so you can see that I'm on the screen. But basically, remember, in order to start it, you want to do the left joystick up. That starts the propellers. And then in order to take off, you want to click on this button right here. And then once it's in the air, you want to use the right joystick and basically maneuver it to make sure that it doesn't, wobble. And then in order to land it again, just press this and it goes straight down. So let's go ahead and do that. And that's how you drone. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment what you think about this drone, and let me know your thoughts. Thanks so much. See you next time.